this. Last class of arithmetic, we have completed up to question number 16. Now look at question number 17. Today we will be completing this exercise, then we will do the mental maths. Yesterday I have given you certain sums, and some of the questions were left. We will be discussing today. So first let us complete this question number 17, 18, 19, 20. So look at question number 17. It says, instead of adding the additive inverse of 3 by 7 to its reciprocal, Syama subtracted it. How much more was the Syama's answer when compared to the correct answer? Now the question says, given rational number is three by 7. So additive inverse will be minus 3 by 7, and the reciprocal will be 7 by 3. Now it's according to the question, this additive inverse should be added to the reciprocal. According to the question, reciprocal plus additive inverse. So LCM is 21. 3 sevens are so 49, plus minus 7 threes are 29. 40 by 21 is the original answer. But Syama has subtracted it. According to the question, reciprocal plus additive inverse. It was a question, but Syama has subtracted it instead of adding. So what will be Syama's answer? So Syama's answer will be 7 by 3 minus 3 by 7. Is it? Or it gives you 7 by 3 plus 3 by 7. Now the LCM is 21. 7 sevens are 49. 3 threes are 9. So 58 by 21 is Syama's answer. Actually answer should be 40 by 21. Then it says, how much more is Syama's answer than the original answer? You have to find how much more is Syama's answer than the original answer. So we'll be writing here Syama's answer is more than original answer by 58 by 21 minus 40 by 21. Is it? Or it gives you 18 by 21, or 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. By 6 by 7, Syama's answer is more than original answer. Write it please. Now number 18, you have left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side it is written in the multiplicative way, and right hand side it is given in distributive way. You have to prove both the side it is equal. Look at question number 18. Prove that LHS we have got for 18, that is minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 15 minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 6. Now see, minus 2 by 3. LCM of 15, 9 and 6. What will be the LCM? Just see. It will be 90 only. 15, 9, 6. 3 5s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are. 3 2s are, 6 5s are, 33s are, 90. 15 6s are, so 7 6 are 42. 9 10s are, so 4 10s are 40. 6 15s are, so 15 ones are 15. And it gives you minus 2 by 3 into 57 minus 40 by 90, or minus 2 by 3 into 17 by 90. 2 45s are, so the answer is minus 17 by 135. Now come to right hand side, RHS. It is given minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 15 minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 9 plus minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 6. Now see, this is not cancelling, this is also not, this is 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Now we'll just multiply. 2 7s are 14, 15 3s are 45, minus 2 4s are minus 8, 3 9s are 27, plus minus 1 by 9. Clear? Now come minus 14 by 45, minus minus plus 8 by 27, minus plus minus 1 by 9. Now the LCM of 45, 27 and 9 with 3, 15 are, 9s are, 3s are, again 3, 5s are, 3s are, 1s are. It will not go more. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 5s are 27 into 5, 135 is the answer. Is it? We got LCM 135. Now 45 3s are 135, so this gives you minus 42. 27 5s are 135, so 8 5s are 40. Is it? And 9 15s are 135, so minus 15. So it gives you minus 57 plus 40 by 135, or it gives you minus 17 by 135. We have got LHS minus 17 by 135. So LHS is equal to RHS proved. This only we have to do. Number 19, they have asked you to find the reciprocals. So first of all, you have to solve what is given, the sums. Then you have to finally find the reciprocal of the answer. Just look at your 19(1). It is given 7 into 2 by 5. So nothing is reducing. So 7 2s are 14 by 5. Reciprocal will be 5 by 14. Is it? Look at number 2. Minus 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. It will be written minus 4 by 9 into 3 by 2. 3 3s are 9, we can reduce. 2 2s are 4, we can reduce. So it gives you minus 2 by 3. What will be the reciprocal? 3 by minus 2, or you can write it minus 3 by 2. In this way we have to do number 19. Look at question number 20. You have to simplify it. There is no problem, I feel. Look at 22. 21 you have to do. I'm not going to do it. X is equal to 2 by 5. Y is equal to 15 by 20. Find xy minus xy by x. Now what we have to do? We have to place the value of xy and y by x. Is it? Just see, after placing the values, what do we get? We get xy means we have to multiply 2 by 5 into 15 by 20 minus y by x means 15 by 20 divided by 2 by 5. It is, you can write it 15 by 20 by 2 by 5. This will turn into complex fraction. So then in simple way, y divided by x, it means y divided by x. Y by x is y divided by x. So I have written y division sign, then x value. Now we'll cancel it. 5 3s are 15, 2 10s are 20. So we are getting 3 by 10 minus 15 by 20 into 5 by 2, or 3 by 10, 5 4s are 20. So we get 15 by 8. Now 8 and 10 LCM is 40. 10 4s are, so 3 4s are 12. 8 5s are, so 15 5s are 75. So the answer will be 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 1, 6 minus 63 by 40. Now next we will be solving mental maths book. Kindly take out your mental maths book. Yesterday we have solved mental maths 1 and mental maths 2 up to 11. There was a homework. It was given as homework. Look at question number 2 in mental maths book. Question number 12, it says 97 square minus 2 into 97 into 7 plus 7 square. What do we see? It is in the term of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Whose formula is this? It is the formula of a minus b whole square. So 97 minus 7, that is 90 square, or this gives you 8,100. This, as I have told you yesterday, simplification should be done in your copy and answer will be written in the book. Number 13. So number 12's answer is 8,100. Number 13, it is 2x minus 1 by 1 minus x is equal to 4 by 5. What we are going to do? We are going to do cross multiplication. So 5 2s are 10x minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 4x. Bring x together, 10x plus 4x, and bring the numbers together, 4 plus 5, or it gives you 14x is equal to 9, or x is equal to 9 by 14. So this answer is 9 by, answer number 13 is 9 by 14. Look at question number 14. If x is equal to 4y, then the variation is Variation means what others identities or formula you can form with this. X is equal to 4y. So what we can write it? That is x by 4 is equal to y. This is the first variation. This is number 1. Or number 2, what we can write it? X by y is equal to 4. So these are the two variations we can get from x is equal to 4y. Number 14 answers will be x by 4 is equal to y and x by y is equal to 4. This is the variation for question number 14. Number 15, if y square minus 2y and minus 3 expressed as a product of a linear factor. Yesterday I have told you how to break it and it was told to practice. If you would have practiced, you can solve like this equations well. Look at number 15. It is given y square minus 2y minus 3. I have told you product of first and third. That gives you 3y square. Now the third sign is minus. So therefore this 2y will be broken in the term of subtraction. So we know 3 minus 1 gives us 2 and 3 into 1 gives us 3. So this 2 will be broken in the term of 3 minus 1. We can write it y square minus 3 minus 1 y minus 3. Or it gives you y square minus 3y plus y minus 3. Or y common, y minus 3 plus 1 common, y minus 3. Now this ink is more. So it gives you y minus 3 and y plus 1. So the question number 15's answer is y minus 3 into y plus 1. Look at 16. If x into x minus 2 is 0, then x is equal to what? Now, if x into x minus 2 is 0, so what we can write? X minus 2 is equal to 0 by x, that gives you 0 only. X minus 2 is 0 or x is equal to 2. So 16th answer is 2. Write it please. Number 17. It is given x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Now you have to find x square plus 1 by x square. Now if I square it, x plus 1 by x whole square, right side also 2 square, then it gives you a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is into is equal to 4. Now this is cancelled. So what I am left with? X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 4 minus 2. Or x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. Average of 10, 12. So question number 16's answer is, no, this 17's answer is 2. The average of 10, 12, 15 and 18. When we add question number 18, average 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 by 4. 8 to 10, 5, 15, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5 by 4. So it gives you 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 3, 4 sevens are 28, 4 fives are 20. So this is 13.75 is the mean or average, whatever you say. The point of concurrence of median of a triangle is called centroid. That is called centroid. 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 108 is an obtuse angle. Number 20, obtuse angle. Now what you have to do, you have to complete mental maths 3, in which you can leave or you can do only what you have to leave, that you have to leave. Number 16, you see, mental maths 3, everything you have to do, just few sums which is you have not done. I am just doing that you feel others. This is mental maths 3 homework, in which some of the questions, that is, which is this first is question number 16. Others you can do from the beginning. There is nothing. All the sums you can do except this 16. You see, it is given x plus 3 into x minus 1 is 0. Now if x plus 3 into x minus 1 is 0, so x plus 3 is equal to 0 divided by x minus 1, or x plus 3 is 0, so x is equal to minus 3. This is number 1. This is if either x minus 1 is equal to, I can write it 0 divided by x plus 3. The meaning is either this or this. One should be 0, then the product will be 0 when the product is 0. If out of two number, one number is 0. So x minus 1 is 0, so x is equal to 1. So this is second value. So for 16, the value of x is minus 3 or 1. Then question number 19, you can see, it is said a centroid divides each median in the ratio of 2:1, and others you can do. So you have to complete this mental maths 3. Next day we will be solving mental maths 4 or maybe algebra, geometry, something. So till then, keep practicing. Thank you.